This is disgusting.
Oh, it's you guys. You're watching Homecation. Welcome to the before tour. This is our crib.
By our crib, both of us. I live here too. Somebody's got to hold the camera.
We're so excited to have a new house because when we're in the States, we no longer have to stay in our parents' basement. We're not renovating the house per se. We're changing the interior aesthetically because the previous owners were 90 years old and they have some 90-year-old choices in here. So we like to show you some of those things in our plans to change them to our own taste. The other challenge that we're facing is that we live full-time out of backpacks, and now we're trying to furnish a home during Corona, and a lot of furniture is on back order because I'm assuming that a lot of you guys are renovating your house too, and so we have things like a sofa ordered in July, now it's coming in September. So we're so excited to share with you the furniture that we currently are living with. Let's go. This is essentially it, open floor plan concept. You're looking at the living room behind me, and we have a pool, which is behind the living room there, a dining space to my left, and a kitchen and little breakfast nook area. So we're gonna take you to all those spaces, show you where it currently is, and our plan to improve it in the future. The stage that we're in now is discussing which white is best. Because we're trying to cover this baby blue wall that is right below a shelving unit that goes through the entire living space below the mustard nook, ceiling nook area. The previous owners showcased their wooden ships on this shelf. So we're thinking obviously we'll just put portraits of Pepper up there when we fully renovate. So we're thinking maybe one of these two whites. Stay tuned to see which white they choose. Now on to a furniture tour.
This is the first little chair on loan from my mom. Thanks, Mom. This is a $35 Goodwill piece on loan from my mom. Thanks, Mom. This tasteful thing is from my mom's basement. Thanks, Mom. This fruit orchard inspired piece is also on loan from my mom's basement. Thanks, Mom. Oh, an apple. Yum.
We did own a few pieces of furniture before we left on our trip around the world, the 10-month trip around the world. Our age difference shows because Tim is 5 years older. So he owned this dining table made of real wood with 2 leaves in it that can seat up to 6 people. So that is currently here with some borrowed chairs from Tim's parents. And you'll see some other pieces we've incorporated into this floor plan that we previously owned before traveling. We stored it at Tim's parents' business attic. So there's a few pieces. But essentially this is the dining room. We're surrounded by green. Can you see that in the frame?
Yes.
And it will no longer be green when we're done. The other thing I'd like to point out in the dining space is the height of these windows. Which is short. I'm in charge of the kitchen tour because I use the kitchen. And I love to cook, and I'm so excited to have a kitchen.
Have kitchen?
Yeah. This house features a kitchen. We have a 4-burner stovetop. Everything's electric here, I'm pretty sure. I prefer gas if I had my choice. But the fact that we can just purchase groceries, look at all of the spices we've accumulated already. We've discovered as new homeowners, you just start to like put stuff into your house. A dishwasher, something that we have almost never have, even when we lived in the States. Dirty dishes in the sink already. Why are you laughing at me, Tim? We think that
You're just excited to have, I know that sounds ridiculous, a kitchen.
I'm just so happy. Did I light up? We're considering maybe like a white subway tile backsplash because we know what a good job Tim did with that in the RV. Leaving the wooden cabinet doors, which aren't bothering me that much, and perhaps exchanging the hardware on it. And then the fridge is even cool. You want to see it? It's like messy, and like if I was doing this like in the after tour, it'll be all like cute and organized. But this is what we have right now. Tim just went to Costco. Our neighbors have a mango tree, and they gave us some massive mangoes off their tree. And then Tim's parents have a lime tree that we are going to also plant a lime tree. And this drawer is full of all limes. And there's even a large pantry. And okay, are we hoarders yet? Or how excited are we just to have things that we want and have missed? That's a lot of food for just getting here. So we are excited to have a Costco, which is a large Merkin store nearby and stock up. If you want to see our booze cabinet and little coffee nook, even more exciting is we have a coffee bar, and we've stocked it with the finest coffees and teas, and a little protein bar stocked with the finest proteins. And we own 3 blenders. Part of the excitement of moving to this house is that we opened...
Whoa, easy braggy, 3 blenders?
We have 3 blenders because we got to open all of our wedding gifts and use them for the first time since 5 years ago when we were married. So lots of wedding gifts to play around with here. And you might all want to see this cabinet. Can you see it? Oh,
Treats.
so come over and we'll play. You're currently standing in the laundry room, which attaches to the garage, which is kind of boring, so Tim can back up and we'll show you the...
Well, that's obviously staying.
The laundry room, where laundry happens. Let's just have a moment.
For laundry. Let's hear it for laundry.
Let's hear it for laundry. After doing several loads now, do you miss $3 wash and fold laundry downstairs in Sayulita? Or do you like having it here?
This is easy. The secret is only own enough clothes to fill up the washing machine once. Then you're good to go.
Enough of this. Time for the bedrooms. There are 3 bedrooms, a master, 2 guests, which we've used for...
Wait, we're gonna just skip the garage? Quick garage.
Okay.
That's Ravi. Jay-Z makes fun of RAV4s, don't make fun of RAV4s. There's everybody's old friend Scoopy. Remember Scoopy? Scoopy is getting a workout down here. Look at that. That's packing cubes and backpacks. You're not supposed to do that if you're doing Amazon. Look, more packing cubes and backpacks. Look, even more. Okay, garage tour.
Great. This house has a split floor plan. There's a master bedroom over there, and then 2 guest bedrooms over here that we're both using as offices. So we're gonna first take you on each of our office tour, and then we'll take you to where sleeping happens. And we're sleeping in the same bedroom. Are you guys so proud of us? Okay, into Tim's office.
Oh, you just caught me in the middle of my work. No big deal. This place almost looks done already, doesn't it? I'm so happy in here. After working all the places we travel, one thing, even when we're at co-working spaces, I never get a comfy seat. And look at this comfy seat. And look at this desk. I've always just wanted a big desk and not be hunched over at some cute little like boutique-y looking coffee shop. Ooh, it's adorable, but God, my back hurts. Because, you know, my back hurts. It does that thing. Look. One of our favorite things to debate about is where all the camera stuff is. So for one of the first times ever, we have all of our camera stuff in one place so we can find batteries and memory cards and other things we like to lose all the time. That's it. I love it in here.
I have a question. Do you like spinning in that chair?
Just, if you got it, use it.
Who's this?
That's Kelly. She's part of the war effort. I'm the most cliche like white guy now with like World War II memorabilia posters. I don't know. The only war I ever fought in, Call of Duty. Verdansk.
Yeah, we've been recently referring to rooms as done when they have furniture. And so while Tim has furniture, it still does feature the original periwinkle carpeting from the previous owners that I feel like if I make a sarcastic joke that we're keeping it, people will really think that we're keeping it. There's this cute little hallway with a linen closet and a door to the pool, which you will see at the end of the video, and a guest bath right here, which is kind of like our office bathroom. This is where we come in when we're working. And you'll remember the portrait of Pepper that was in the bathroom of the RV, so it has now made it into this bathroom here.
She's so beautiful.
She's so beautiful. What I like about this room is I feel like they've used a different hue of blue for the base here and a brighter yellow than the mustard in the living space here. So they've really grasped the depth of both of those colors. Welcome to my office and our guest room. This room features 3 different shades of blue. A bright blue on the wall, the same tone of blue as Tim's office, and a new blue that we have yet to see on this deep, thick curtain panel, which is still up because it does a great job of blocking the afternoon sun coming in when I'm working at the desk. One of the challenges in this room is this will be our guest room when we have guests. And right now it features this chair and desk that I previously owned. And I think that we're gonna have to get a Murphy bed or something up here because when I'm filming right here, which happens often for YouTube and for our Amazon FBA course, there's lights set up, there's just like a lot going on that fill up this 11 by 11 space in this room. So I don't know where a bed would go in here. So we're thinking Murphy bed. But this room does what it needs to right now, and I can't wait to implement some ideas in my head into this space. I've been requested by Tim to talk about some of my organizational strategy for my closet tour. In this closet, I decided to put the heavier items on the bottom. This includes some plastic bins that include yearbooks and photo albums from my childhood, clothing for off-season, and other items that I don't need on the daily, like my wedding dress, which is in this bag. Beautifully preserved. The other items that you'll see featured in this closet is this stuffed panda that has this entire portion of the shelf to itself. This is pretty special because Tim made this for me.
Why is it in the back of the closet?
Oh, here, I can hang it right here. Welcome to the first, oh, you hung stuff in your office. The first thing hung in this room. This is a photo of our Google receipt, is it crooked? Receipt printout of the first $100 that we made off of YouTube ad revenue. It's on January 4th, 2007. How fun is that? So Tim printed that out for me years ago. The best feature in this room, aside from the closet, is this walk-out door to the pool, which we will show at the end of the video. For now, we're gonna jump to the other side of the house into the master bedroom. Our bedroom has a hallway. Wow. Wait, do you want to do the tour? Wow. Over here is a bathroom. The master bath. Look at all the space. This is like the size of our Chicago apartment.
Just look at it.
2 sinks for less fighting. Glass shower for Miami cocaine vibes. And a linen closet right here in the bathroom. The saving grace, his and hers walk-in closets. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's so big. Okay, it's so messy, but it's so big and it's amazing. This is disgusting.
This is all my stuff. I know everybody's really disappointed after my RV closet tour. I promise you I will get rid of half of this. Some of this stuff is from when I was in like college. Got cowboy hats, got pistols, got boots, just ready for any adventure. But yeah, this is entirely too much stuff and I'm a little bit embarrassed. That's my closet tour. One of the hottest decor trends of 2020 is called the mattress on the floor look. Now, we spice it up a little bit. We have a box spring, then the mattress on the floor, but we're still keeping it very minimal, very Scandinavia inspired. But to kick things up even more, we've also tastefully stacked a couple mattresses against the far wall of the bedroom. Now, I don't mean to brag, but we do own a headboard and a whole bed set, bed frame set. But we lost all the bolts while we were moving all over the Midwest, so we can't set this up. And finding bolts is gonna be tough. And we lost instructions, so I don't know. It's okay to be impressed by my nightstand. This is something I made myself. It's locally sourced.
Honey, I made that for you.
Don't steal my thunder.
You came in one night.
YouTube doesn't know.
I know, but that was something I did for you. You came in one night.
It's beautiful.
And you had a nightstand.
Well, here's my noise machine. This is muy importante. I need that white noise. One of my favorite things to do is when Finny falls asleep as soon as her head hits a pillow, but I take like an hour. So I sit over here, I'm looking at my phone, and I like to rack my knuckles on this and make loud noises at night. And then Finny wakes up and she goes, ah, ah. Okay, sorry, go to bed. It's just a little game we play.
You might be thinking, no, don't do it. Keep the carpet. But we are considering Tim laying some vinyl flooring.
Tim and Finn laying some vinyl flooring.
We'll both be laying vinyl flooring in likely one of these two colors. So let us know in the comments which one you think. This one is called Dusted Beechwood Pine. And this one is called, Tim, please remind me, it's called
1,000 Acre Oak.
1,000 Acre Oak. Those are fake names that we just made up. So if you have a better name, please also put that in the comments. One of my personal favorites about this house that we have yet to show on the house tour are the window valances. The master bedroom features a sailing theme. And above my head here and above the windows on either side of the bed, you will see blue and cream checkered sailboats.
Anchors away.
Anchors away.
We have lots of experience with valances from the RV. They won't be an issue.
Yeah. Should we close out the master bedroom tour with our paper sun curtain? Also featured in denim blue.
Hey, it works. That's a sky blue. Venetian sky blue.
Venetian sky blue.
This is a swan floaty. This is also on loan from my parents. Thanks, Mom.
Well, thanks for joining us for Homecation. This is the pool and the tour. And there is some furniture that we need to buy out here for over there. Like we're thinking maybe an outdoor fire pit thing, because those are really cool. And we were also thinking a hot tub too, but it might be too large for the space. The previous owners owned a landscaping business, so we own lots of beautiful plants, but you will have to tune in to a different episode to see us digging holes, ripping out bushes that we don't like, and putting in lime and avocado trees. And maybe an olive tree.
Bye guys, there's a lot of painting to go do. It's a beautiful day. Gotta get inside and paint some walls white. Bye.
You wanna go get your Yodi? Ready? Stay. Ready? Okay, good job. From the both of us. Bye.
So much painting.